welcome back to my channel. I am at a winery. I am the makeup artist for the bride and the bridesmaids. So I'm here. She invited me to her party, which is the I guess the rehearsal, after the rehearsal, and then here's the dinner, and then tomorrow's the wedding. So you guys are gonna see the whole wedding and everything is like that. But I'm here. I love you, Terry. Tommy, my videographer, is behind the camera. So make sure y'all go follow him. Best videographer in the DMV in the whole world. I've had a glass of wine. He's gonna go around and he's gonna show you guys a bunch of just things around, talk to some people, and you know, get the footage and everything, get Terry, and it's gonna be great. That's my Tommy, and I'm his Robin.
I don't know. It didn't really sound too.
Anyway, I don't know. I'll be right back. So, hi, I'm Robin, obviously. I'm doing makeup today for Terry's wedding. Terry, that's your cue. For Terry's wedding. She's getting married! How you feel about today?
I'm excited. It's been 2.5 years in the making.
Yeah.
So, it's time to get this party started.
Period. She's actually a very fun bride. I would think people would be stressing out, because usually when I have brides, they're stressed out. You're probably like the second bride I've worked with that's not stressed out.
It's been a 3-day event though, so.
It has. Usually the 3-day weddings, by the time it's the wedding, they don't even, they're just like whatever. But I'm excited to paint her face. It is. It's gonna go well. It's gonna go well. So far we're ahead of time actually.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Pretty excited. Woke up hella early to do my makeup because I know I won't be able to do it later. Thanks. There's no lipstick and my lips are ashy.
That's ashy. I want ashy lips. Look at my little fuzzies.
It says bride. Where you get that?
Somebody gave it to me at
wow.
the bachelorette party.
And your toes look nice.
Thank you.
When I get married, I want cute gifts like that. So just in case my friends are watching.
I'm your friend. I'm watching.
Oh, would you be a bridesmaid?
What? Make sure not.
Oh, period.
Okay.
Period. I still have sisters.
You do have sisters. Okay, I'll be a bridesmaid.
It's official. She said she'll be my bridesmaid. Now I just need to get, you know, proposed to. And then... Can we play some Kim?
Sure. Baby, I'm a dreamer.
We are on the way to the wedding venue. I woke up at 6 o'clock to do my makeup, and my first client was at 7. Everyone came in my room to get their makeup done. And then we left early. Well, we didn't stay. We were gonna stay for 2 nights, but we did not because, first off, that hotel didn't even come with breakfast. Tommy had to go to Waffle House, and so thank you for the Waffle House. It was really good. So I did everyone in a good, timely manner. Everyone got done, honestly, before time. However, now we're rushing so we can go and he can take pictures and videos of the bride. We are 13 minutes away from the venue, and we're gonna make our way there. This is gonna be, it's hectic, but it's gonna be fun. I know it's gonna work out. I have my handy dandy pouch over here. My hands ash. Woo! Hello. Hello. Here